Are you looking for a wake shaper to help make a big wake surf wave on your boat? Check out this Swell H3x Plus. Well, I guess it's just a fancy way to say Swell Hex Wake Shaper because it has these little hex shapes on it. Here's some cool features. It has 5-inch suction cups, which makes this very sturdy when it attaches onto the side of your boat. It has multiple adjustments, so you can help adjust how the water is diverted. It also extends like this to allow you to divert even more water and help clean up the wave and make it a little bit longer. I also like this for storage purposes. It can slide up like this, so I can put it in a smaller location in the boat. These dimples, or hexes, were designed into the shaper to try to remove air from the system to allow the wave to be cleaner and more firm. From my limited physics knowledge, it works similar to a golf ball, where it creates a small boundary layer of turbulent water right next to the shaper, which then allows the rest of the water to smoothly run over it, which you can see from this video right here. On my Nautique Super Sport, here's where I place the shaper. I put it as far down on the side of the hull as possible and as far back as I can get it, right in this location. And as with any wake shaper that's out there, this always goes on the opposite side of the surfer. The package even comes with simple directions on how to use the product. On this boat and with the Swell Wake Shaper, here's my ballast and speed setup. I did 650 pounds in the rear surf side. I did 300 pounds in the rear non-surf side. I did 800 pounds in the ski locker right here. And just for good measure, I put a bow bag in the front that was about 300 pounds. We ran the boat around 10.0 to 10.2 miles an hour. With this ballast, speed, and shaper setup, the wave was really nice, and this wake shaper produced a nice surfable wave. Staying in line with my channel, this product was given to us for free, and so I'm going to give it away to one of you. Please comment below what boat you have, and I'll announce the winner on this day. Last time I did a giveaway like this, somebody tried to scam all of you in the comments. They even copied my YouTube logo, and they made comments like this in the comments section. So please don't fall for a scam like that. If you want to buy your own Swell Wakesurf H3x Plus shaper, I put a link down in the description below. If I gave you value from this video and you want to show your appreciation, please use that link to purchase your shaper. It'll just allow me to make more content just for you. Now that you're educated on this wake shaper, what about teaching others to wake surf without the rope? Naturally, I made a video just for you. Tap or click the screen here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.